here comes Keri. She's going to be introduced to Skoli, the miracle touchdown dog. There is Skoli right here. We're going to put her in the present. But Keri, all right. Go in there, Skoli. Skoli, go in there. Skoli, you got to go in there. You got to go in there, Skoli. Come on. Stay here. I'm a genius plan. Stay there, Skoli. Skoli, stay in there. Stay in there, Skoli. Skoli, the miracle touchdown dog. Keri's gonna be him for the first time. She just getting back from Florida. This is our anniversary. Here comes Keri. Hi, Keri. Happy anniversary, babe. Happy anniversary.
It is our anniversary.
Right? Come and open it.
Okay. I'm scared.
Why are you scared? Nice wrap job, huh?
Yeah. This is ours?
Yeah, it's yours. It's Skoli, the touchdown miracle pup.
When did you get him?
Get her. I got her on Saturday.
Shut up.
She was born the day before Keenum took over the team.
Oh my god.
Skoli, the miracle pup.
Are you videotaping?
Yes. Hi, Skoli. You won us the game. Congratulations. And happy anniversary.
Oh my god, baby. Oh.